April from Crafty Goodness. I have a video today. I was working on some Christmas gift tags and some more Christmas embellishments. So let me get right in. So the first embellishment I made, I used these dies. They're three separate dies. They're three separate flowers. But I didn't use the leaves in any one. I just used, so it's got the outline and then the flower part. So I just used those two. And then the same with this one, the outline and then the flower part. And then the same with this one, the outline and the flower part. And these are Anna Griffin dies I had gotten from HSN, gosh, quite a while ago. So I used those. And what I did was I took a whole bunch of Christmas paper and I cut out the bottom part, the outline part, and then the top part. So I used different paper for each one. And then I took all of the little balls, the styrofoam balls from Dollar Tree. I liked using the big ones and I loved using the gold. And then I just cut them in half with a pair of scissors and then hot glued them on. And this is the size that I loved, the big size. I did a few with the silver, but I just don't think it looks as good as the gold. So I made a whole bunch of those, and with this top layering part, I just added a foam sticker to give it a little bit of dimension. And then I went ahead and added a foam sticker on the back so they're ready to go. I did a whole bunch of those in all different patterns. They turned out really pretty. But I really love this gold with it. I don't know why. This one actually turned out pretty. I used the same paper for the layering piece and the outline, and it looks nice. So yeah, I made all of these. Then I was playing around with some Christmas tags. So a while ago, during quarantine, when I was bored, I made a whole bunch of collage tags. So I took cardstock, and I don't remember if I used a die for these or if I just hand cut them. But this is just cardstock. I think some of them are just poster board. Yeah, I think these are poster board. Anyway, and then I glued on different papers. So I ended up with all of these, and the ones that I could use that weren't, that were Christmassy, like this red one. And I just added on a piece from Paper Pad. I added on a little bow here and two, these are actually buttons, flat back buttons. I added those right there, little Christmas presents. And then I added some twine. So on the back, I'll probably put to and from on the back. So there's that one. This one turned out really cute. It's like a whitewashed wood. And then I did a Oh Let It Snow paper cutout from a paper pad. And I glued on 3 snowflakes. And then a snowman, flat back snowman. I think he's from Hobby Lobby. And then this one was pretty simple. I could probably add something else to this, but I thought it looked pretty. This is just a regular wood cardstock. And then I put Warm Winter Wishes right here. That's from a cutout from a paper pad. And then I hot glued on this little holly. Then I have these. This one turned out so cute. So it's like, these are the ones that I cut from poster board. And this one has like a white and green gingham check on it. And then I cut out a wreath from a paper pad. And then I cut this joy word out from the same paper pad, and I added it in the middle of the wreath, but I added it with a foam sticker so it will give it some dimension. And then I added a little red bow and then a red truck flat back. I got these from Hobby Lobby. So I think this one turned out super cute. This one, this is poster board as well. And then I added on this wood grain cardstock. And then I have a cutout from a paper pad right here that has Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. And then these little reindeer are actually die cuts. I have a little tiny reindeer die, and I cut a whole bunch out of them with gold paper. And then I attached him with a foam 3D sticker, and then I added a little tiny red pom-pom for his nose because he's Rudolph, and then I added a red bow to him. And then the last one I did is this one. Also, this was poster board, and then I added this really pretty blue and black gingham check cardstock. I added a little piece of ribbon down here on the bottom that's blue with a little bit of gold. I have this little cutout right here, Holiday Nights and Twinkle Lights, and then there's little lights right here. This was from a paper pad, and I used my edge scissors to cut this right here just to give it a little bit of something. Then I hot glued on two little, I don't know if these are, I don't think they're buttons. They were over in the, really, because they have these holes right here. These could be used as charms too, but they're little Christmas light bulbs. And there came in a big pack of these at Hobby Lobby over where the My Little Christmas Tree section is. So I hot glued two of those right there, and then one I put a bow, red bow right there, and then I added twine. So those are the ones that I did. I was playing around with this all day on Sunday. And again, I think these will just be cute to give out with presents, and you know, I can put to and from on the back. So yeah, so that's my quick video for today. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe and be a part of my YouTube friend group. And my next video, I don't know what's going to be coming. I have so many Christmas DIYs that I'm going to be putting up. So just look out for that and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified of any future upcoming videos. And I'll see you on my next one. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.